In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up email funnel sequence in Kit. By the end, you will have a written sequence of emails and an automation that sends that sequence to new subscribers based on a trigger you choose. Start by looking at the top navigation in Kit and click Send. This is where you create and manage the emails you will deliver to your audience. Next, click Sequences. A sequence is a set of emails that go out in a specific order, with timing you control, so every new contact gets the same guided experience. Now click New Sequence. Give yourself a moment to think about the goal of this funnel, because it helps you write with a clear direction. Then begin writing your email content. Focus on one main message per email. Keep the subject line clear, and make sure the body text is easy to scan when someone is reading on a phone. If you are including links, double-check that they point to the right page before you publish. Once your emails are written, set the delay for each email. The delay controls how long Kit waits before sending the next message in the sequence. This is important because spacing affects engagement. A short delay can keep momentum, and a longer delay can give people time to act on what you sent. Choose delays that match the pace of your offer and your audience. When you are ready for this sequence to be available for automation, toggle the status to Published. Publishing is what allows Kit to actually send these emails to subscribers. Next, you will connect the sequence to an automation. Click Automate, then choose Visual Automations. Create a new automation and select your trigger. Your trigger is the event that starts the funnel, such as someone signing up through a form or being added to a tag, depending on how you organize your list. Inside the automation, click the plus icon to add a step. Select Action, then Email Sequence, and choose the sequence you just created. Finally, toggle the automation switch to Live. From this point on, anyone who meets the trigger condition will enter the funnel and receive your sequence automatically. And that covers everything you need to know.